Welcome to my next video. Do you like eggs? I like to eat eggs, especially boiled eggs. What about apple? I do not like to eat fruit. But today I'm not going to show you the scene where I eat them. I'll explode them up to see if I have anything left to eat. I also have a tomato. Now I will put a fireworks inside. We start to blow it up. Followed by an apple. I gave it a hole and put the firecracker inside. We start to blow them away. The first is the tomato. Do you like the spectacle? The next will be the apple. Oh, the apple is very firm. It cannot explode like a tomato. Let's see if we have anything to eat. It is still edible. I decided not to eat, that will continue to make it explode. Not successful. This scene I have to do it explode 3 times and then succeed. And this is the 3rd time. Let's see. While doing the shoot, my mother went to the market and I saw her bring back a piece of tofu. I decided to blow it up. Let's see. Exploding no more. Great, right? And finally we come to the egg. It will be great. Oh, let's stop here a little. As you see, the small gun when exploded creates a small hole on the other side of the egg. I think the hole must be bigger than that. Okay, let's continue to watch it. Sorry for interrupting. We'll look back. My video here is over. Thank you for watching. If you find it interesting, please click like button, share with your friends. Please remember to subscribe to watch our latest videos.